Hello friends, welcome to our channel Hello SUMERO. This is Ravish Chaudhary and I'm going to share another interesting video for you. And the topic of the video is stop using very. Well, I don't mean you absolutely stop using very. Here I'm going to share some words where you can come to reduce the uses of very. Going to share some official words what can reduce the frequency of using very and going to make your language even formal. So चलिए start करते हैं. The words are what? See, word number one is excellent. Excellent means very good. So at some place you can replace very good using excellent. क्या होता है कि कभी कभी हम very का काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं. Very is a good word to be used, बट उसका ज़्यादा जो यूजेस है अगर 3 से 4 सेंटेंसेस में बैक टू बैक यूज़ करना है सो इट लुक्स स्लाइटली ऑड. सो उसको रिप्लेस करने का काम कर सकते हैं हम यूजिंग सम अदर वर्ड्स. So excellent means very good, like it was excellent. If you want to speak somewhere, it was very good. So excellent word can help you over there. Word number two is exact. Exact means very accurate, means ekdam satik. That is the exact amount. The very accurate amount or the accurate amount. Very accurate is equal to exact is rupees 257. Word number 3 is obvious. Obvious means very clear. It's obvious. You can also say it's very clear. It's obvious that he will help you. Word number 4 is, word number 3 का मीनिंग है it's obvious that वो आपको हेल्प करेगा. ये बिल्कुल साफ है कि वो आपको हेल्प करेगा. Word number 4 is cut throat. Cut throat means very competitive. The video games industry is incredibly cutthroat. Means बहुत ज़्यादा कंपटीशन है इस इंडस्ट्री में. द मीनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस इज. नंबर 5 इज कॉम्प्रीहेंसिव. इट मीन्स वेरी कंप्लीट, एकदम पूरा, एकदम कंप्लीट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट्स कॉम्प्रीहेंसिव एंड अटरली रिलायबल मीन्स एकदम से पूरा रिलायबल है. इफ समवट ड्राई, अगर थोड़ा सा ड्राई हो इन केस. 6 नंबर वर्ड इज innovative. Innovative means very creative. You are innovative, it means you are very creative. Word number 7 is meticulous. Meticulous means very detailed, एकदम पूरी डिटेल में. The trip involved meticulous planning means ट्रिप की जो प्लानिंग थी वो पूरी एग्जैक्ट, पूरी completely डिटेल के साथ प्लानिंग्स थी. Word number 8 is here costly, very expensive. I think ये word easy है to be used. Marble is very durable but costly. Word number 9, that is swamped, means very busy. I am swamped in the office these days. Swamped जो word आया है that is from swamp. Swamp is a word, it means दलदल. Word number 10 is crucial. Crucial means very important. He played a very crucial role to win. जीत में उसने एक बहुत ही crucial role play किया. चलिए to the next word, that is number 11, captivating. Captivating means very interesting. Your thoughts are really captivating. आपके जो ideas हैं, आपके जो thoughts हैं, they are really interesting. Essential. Essential means very necessary. That is an essential condition. किसी condition की बात करते हैं कि that is very necessary. लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे भी जो essential services थी they were open, they were free to move. Word number 13 is frequently. Frequently means very often. Frequently everything went wrong means ज़्यादातर. Often means होता है अक्सर और frequently means और भी ज़्यादा उसे it represents. So frequently सब कुछ गलत रहा. Word number 14 is compelling. Compel एक verb भी है जिसका मतलब होता है मजबूर करना, force करना. Compelling works like adjective. Very powerful. For example, his compelling speech changed us. उसकी बहुत strong speech ने, बहुत powerful speech ने हमें change कर दिया. Word number 15, that is rapid. Rapid means very quick. I expect some rapid action against him. So मैं expect करता हूँ उसके against कोई rapid action. Word number 16 is grave. Grave means very serious. He remained grave. You can say here he remained grave for a while. वो थोड़ी देर के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियस रहा. I am grave over his condition. Word number 17 is brief. Brief means short. किसी सिचुएशन को ब्रीफ करना. Very short. She made her brief introduction. उसने अपना brief introduction दिया. Basic, very simple. That is a simple word. I hope it can easily be used. Intelligent. Intelligent means very smart. Smart or intelligent, both the words can be used. He is an intelligent boy. Dean ने answer किया. Last word of this is that is exceptional. पूरी वीडियो का लास्ट वर्ड नहीं है. लास्ट वर्ड ऑफ द PPT. Exceptional means very special. Even an exceptional salesman has an imperfect memory. Means चाहे कोई बिल्कुल स्पेशल वेरी स्पेशल सेल्स पर्सन हो तो उससे भी मिस्टेक हो सकती है, उसकी भी मेमोरी इम्परफेक्ट हो सकती है. वर्ड नंबर 21. वर्ड नंबर 21 is furious. Furious means very angry. I was furious to see all that. बहुत गुस्सा था. It means word number 22. Gorgeous. She looks gorgeous in black. Number 23, that is massive. Massive means very big. Tokyo is a massive city. Massive city, very big city. Massive amount. Massive 6. Dull. Dull means very boring. The film was dull. It means जो मूवी थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा बोरिंग थी. Word number 25, that is deafening. Deaf से word बना है. Deafening means very noisy. The engine is deafening at high speed. High speed पे जब गाड़ी चलती है it means engine बहुत noisy होता है. Word number 26, that is destitute. Destitute means very poor. How does a destitute family survive? एक बहुत गरीब परिवार कैसे survive करता है. Next word is stingy. Stingy means very cheap. My boss is stingy. मेरा जो boss है बहुत ही cheap है. Miser, बहुत ज़्यादा miserly के लिए भी use करते हैं stingy. Word number 28, that is spotless. Spotless means very clean. My room is spotless. मेरा जो room है बिल्कुल clean है. Word number 29, that is arduous. Arduous means very difficult. It's arduous to make out people. लोगों को समझाना बहुत मुश्किल है. Hot, that's a common word. Very warm. It's hot today. Yeah, really, it's hot today. So dear students, so आज की वीडियो के जो words थे they come to complete here. If you want to receive these all PPTs or PDFs of these all the videos, you can join our Telegram channel Hello SUMERO और बाकी के जो social media platforms है can follow them too. आज की वीडियो का जो टॉपिक है it comes to end here. I come to stop this video now. Wish you all the best.